Which Luminox watch is actually worth your money? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the best options. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 picks that really stand out. Product number 1, Navy Seal Men's Watch. First up is the Luminox Navy Seal Men's Watch. Priced at $229.99, this watch caught my eye with its rugged design and military-inspired look. If you want a durable timepiece for diving or outdoor adventures, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With a water resistance of 200 meters, you can take it swimming or diving without worrying. The Chronograph feature helps with timing tasks, which is perfect if you're an outdoorsy type or need precision timing. Plus, it has that Swiss craftsmanship you can trust, backed by a solid 4.2-star rating from 150 reviews. That tells you folks are pretty happy with it. Now, some people complained about the battery life not being as long as expected. Here's the thing though, it's designed for performance, and the lithium metal battery does its job well for everyday use. It's a trade-off for the quality you get. This is perfect for you if you're into outdoor activities or need a reliable watch for work. Skip this one if you prefer something more dressy or casual. For the price, it offers great value for a rugged watch. Now, if the Navy Seal's functionality caught your attention but the look isn't quite right, the next one on my list has a more refined design without sacrificing durability. Product number 2, Navy Seal Steel. Next, we have the Navy Seal Steel, priced at $525. This one's a step up, boasting a sleek 45mm stainless steel case that feels premium in your hands. If you want a stylish yet functional dive watch, this is a solid choice. What's impressive is the anti-reflective sapphire crystal that not only protects the face but also makes it easy to read underwater. Plus, it has a long-lasting Ronda 715 movement, which means you won't have to worry about changing batteries often. It can last up to 72 months. This watch also shines in low light with its luminous hands and markers, making it a great pick if you're frequently in dark environments. With a 4.6-star rating from 100 reviews, it's clear buyers are loving this one. However, some users pointed out that the rubber strap could be more comfortable. Now here's the thing, while it might take a little getting used to, it's designed for durability in tough conditions, and the trade-off for that is understandable. This is perfect for you if you want a combination of style and performance in a dive watch. Skip this one if you're looking for something less expensive. It's a solid investment for a luxury dive watch. Now, if you're after that sleek aesthetic but want something even more robust, the next watch might just be your go-to. Product number 3, Navy Seal Steel Blackout. Up next is the Navy Seal Steel Blackout, retailing at $299.99. This one really stands out with its all-black design and tactical vibe. If you want a watch that makes a statement while still being functional, this is worth considering. This watch is officially licensed by the US Navy, which means it's built to withstand tough conditions. With its sapphire crystal and 200-meter water resistance, you can take it diving or on adventures without a second thought. Not to mention, the Luminox light technology means you can read it in total darkness without pushing any buttons. Super handy. It sits at a great 4.7-star rating from 18 reviews, indicating strong satisfaction among users. Some users have mentioned that the watch can feel a bit heavy on the wrist. But here's why it's still worth it. The heft adds to its durability and presence, making it feel solid and reliable. This is perfect for you if you want something rugged with a tactical edge. Skip this one if you prefer lighter watches or something more classic. For the price, it packs a punch in features and style. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more subtle without losing that durability, the next watch on our list offers just that. Product number 4, Pacific Diver Chronograph. The fourth pick is the Pacific Diver Chronograph, priced at $675. This watch really elevates the diving experience with its sleek design and advanced features. If you're serious about diving or water sports, you should consider this one. This watch features Swiss quartz Ronda Z60 movement, which offers precision timing, and it's also water resistant to 200 meters. Plus, the stainless steel bracelet gives it that classy feel, making it perfect for both diving and everyday wear. It has a solid rating of 4.3 stars from 28 reviews, showing it's well-liked. But some users mention that the price is a bit steep for a watch. I'll be real with you, while it's pricier, you're investing in quality and functionality, which is crucial if you're a serious diver. This is perfect for you if you want a premium dive watch that looks good above and below the water. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget. The quality justifies the price. Now, if you're looking for something that's a bit more budget-friendly but still offers great functionality, check out the next option. Product number 5, Sea Lion Men's Watch. Finally, we have the Sea Lion Men's Watch, priced at $219.99. This one offers a more compact size with a unique carbon case. If you want something lightweight and durable for everyday wear, this could be your best bet. The 38mm CARBONOX case is not only durable but also gives it a distinct look. The protected crown and unidirectional rotating bezel enhance its functionality, making it a great choice for casual outings. It has a 3.5-star rating from 18 reviews, so it's worth considering if you want something different. Some people have pointed out that it might feel too small for larger wrists. Here's the thing, though, if you prefer a lighter, less bulky watch, this design could be ideal for you. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish, lightweight watch for casual wear. Skip this one if you have larger wrists or prefer a bigger watch style. It offers solid value for its price, especially for everyday use. So there you have it. From the rugged Navy Seal to the sleek Pacific diver, each watch has its own appeal. Whether you're into diving, outdoor adventures, or just want a stylish accessory, there's a Luminox for you. Make your choice wisely based on what fits your lifestyle.